I am Gerald Eze, a Nigerian musicologist, performer, educator, sportsman, social entrepreneur, and aspiring music business executive. I am the founder of Ichoku Academy of Music and Integrated Arts, where children and youths are introduced to Igbo music and cultural systems. In the Ichoku Academy, there are programs for people of different age and level. Egwuregwu Ụmụaka is for children. Egwuregwu simply means to play, and Ụmụaka is the Igbo word for children. This activity is our way of reinforcing the Igbo indigenous concept of education, which is enacted during recreation. It is when children play that they open up to exchange ideas, learning about each other and their environment. Egwuregwu Creatives Hangout is for the youth. It brings creative young people together. Young poets, writers, painters, graphic designers all gather to play, perform, and connect. They take turns to express their unique talents during the open mic section. There is also the Owamwede, which is the program for adults, but open to all. It is all about folklores, Igbo wise words and dialogue, indigenous Igbo food and drinks, and exchange of values. This year, the Academy has engaged in 3 international collaborations. The first was Emmanuel Ndefo and Dan Shu from the Gallery of Codes, who were investigating the concept of Egu as dance, danger, and play. The second group comprised of Honorable Commissioners Griffin Lotson and Brenton Jordan, and also Engineer Dennis Wiley of the Gola Gichi Ring Shouters. The Academy hosted these Americans, providing cultural education through entertainment,